Hello guys, this is your boy Devi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. In this today's video, I just want to look at just a short tutorial on how you can swap your crypto from one crypto to another. So in the tutorial, I'm going to use an exchange site. It is called CHANGELLY. I know there are very many other exchange sites, like there is Simple Swap. I think I made a tutorial about it. I'll check and see. So majorly for me, I use CHANGELLY. So I'm going to leave the link in the description of the video. You guys can click on that link and create your account. I created my account here. As you can see, it is an active account. You can choose the language that you want. It is not locked into one language. So let us go to the exchange. And so there is exchange, there is buy and sell. So you click on exchange, and here in the first tab you choose the currency that you want to exchange. So if it is BTC, you choose BTC. As you can see, all these are the crypto that are accepted. So I choose BTC, and I'm going to exchange this because I have this. I want to exchange it into TRX. And in this tab here, you put the currency that you want to exchange to. So you you choose, and there are many. You can choose Ethereum, Ripple, and all these other ones. So for me, I want TRX. And you go to the next page. It will bring you here. You will see that you will send this amount of BTC and you receive this amount of TRX. So here it will ask for the recipient address. So I'm going to go to my wallet. I use this. I've copied my address, the TRX address, and I'm pasting it here. And then I'll go to the next step. This is the checkout page. It will tell you you send this and you receive this. Exchange fee, it is only 8 TRX. You can see how cheap it is. And also network fee of 3 TRX. So this will be deducted from the final amount. This remains in the exchange. So I click on confirm and make payments. It brings this QR code. Now I use a blockchain, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to just scan that and send a BTC to that. So I'm scanning it with my phone. I've got it. I've got it already. So I send a BTC 0.008. Guys, I'm doing this from my phone. So I've sent it. I'm going to wait for some few minutes for it to reflect in my account. So guys, the transaction has been done, and if I'm to take my Tron link here, it appears here. Remember, it was 3320. You can see it is appearing here. So that's basically how we change or we swap from one crypto to another using CHANGELLY exchange site. So you guys, I think that's all I had for this video. See you in another tutorial on another video. And remember guys to subscribe and like some of my videos because I have so much for you in plan.